Good evening, sir.
Thank you for accepting my invitation. And
Okay, sir,
your
fine.
your example for after some work experience, again you are doing a course. It's really it's difficult because I have that experience. In between studies, I had a job, so that break and study is not easy. And also you crack the gate, so that is a reason I have invited you to share something, some idea, some insights about the gate exam, how to prepare, and what may be the opportunities, higher studies opportunities, just to share from your experience. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, so we shall start with the formal welcome address. Now I invite Bhavya Darshini to give you a welcome address.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to today's truly delighted to have such an enthusiastic and curious audience with us. The topic for today's webinar, Unlocking Success with GATE Exam Strategies and Higher Studies Opportunity. It promises to offer not just knowledge but trust perspective that we can carry forward. To lead us through this engaging topic, we are honored to welcome our distinguished speaker, Ms. Angel Rose, who is former hardware design engineer in R&D Agape Diagnostic Limited and PG student of National Institute of Electronic and Information Technology, Calicut. She has completed her biomedical engineering in APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, Thiruvananthapuram, and embedded system in National Institute of Electronic and Information Technology and proud GATE qualifier. She is here to tell about her journey through rigorous challenges and success in GATE exam. We look forward to learning from her expertise. As the proverb goes, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So let us take this opportunity to learn, engage, and grow together. Once again, a warm welcome to each one of you. Let's behind this enriching journey. Over to you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Don't call me ma'am. Call me Angel only.
Chechi.
Okay. Okay, you can call me Chichi or Angel. Fine. And let me introduce myself. If you can turn off your video, it will be good because okay, everybody. If it is not possible, it's okay. But I will be more free to you if you are turning on your video. And let me introduce myself. My name is Angel Rose Chakir, and in your welcome speech, I noted that I studied in APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, Trivandrum. Actually, my university was APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, and I studied in Sahradaya College of Engineering and Technology. It was in Thrissur, and I am a student of Yuvraj sir. Yuvraj sir was my favorite teacher, and he was my advisor and my class teacher and my project guide also. And it's your I can proudly say it's your luck. You have got a vibrant teacher for your department. So that's all about me. And how many are there? 16. Okay, okay. Shall I start the session, sir?
Yes, yes, we shall.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. I will present. I have some net issues, so if I'm not audible, in any case, you should turn on your mic and say. I don't know
Yes,
how
yes.
my net connection will be stable. Okay.
Okay.
And before that, can somebody say in which year you are studying, third year or fourth year? Can someone unmute your mic? I don't want any one man show. I want an interactive session. Nobody is interested. Okay, it's okay.
Third year,
They
ma'am.
will, they will. Gayatri
Okay,
is
okay,
speaking.
third year. Okay.
Second year.
Oh, third year. Second years are also there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, even first
Ah,
year
okay,
also
okay.
there.
Don't call me ma'am. I feel some awkward. Okay. So, anybody know basic idea about a gate exam? Anybody in this meet? have a basic idea about GATE exam? At least what it meant, at least its full form or something? Anybody? It's okay, it's okay. Fine. So I present.
No, they uh, it will take time actually. So they'll speak actually. All are having hesitation. Okay.
Okay,
To
sir.
speak.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
fine.
But I think they will respond. No problem.
Okay, okay. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So I'm here to present the session on the topic a view on graduate aptitude test in engineering. That means GATE. Okay, and before that, I will say my career journey. After my BTech, I joined an associate as associate design engineer in research and development department in a company called Agape Diagnostics, and I worked there for 2 years. Then only I joined for MTech, and between these years in my career, I appeared for 3 times in for GATE. Okay, first time was my fourth year. During my fourth year, I appeared for GATE, and after that, I once more means appeared for GATE, and then for 2024 also I appeared. So third time only I got an opportunity to crack the GATE exam, but it doesn't means it's a very tough exam. It was my fault only. I was not preparing that much in the previous years, and 2024 I prepared a little only, because for biomedical students, I don't know, you know it or not. In our India, only a few colleges are there with biomedical course. So if you are interested in higher studies, it's a great opportunity for you to study in higher institutions, because if we take other branches like electronics, civil, computer science, a tight competition is there, because so many colleges are there in India with engineering courses in computer science, civil, electronics, electrical, etc. But for biomedical, I think a very few colleges are there in India with that course. So cracking GATE exam with our biomedical stream is very easy. I think this year I attended 2025 also I attended but I couldn't crack with one. I scored 24, but the pass mark was 25. So I couldn't crack that exam because I was not prepared. So it's very easy for us to crack the GATE exam for biomedical students. And what is GATE? GATE is a graduate aptitude test in engineering, and it's a national level exam like G Mains, JEE Advanced. It's a national level exam. It's not for any state or any something else. It's a national level exam, and this is for various undergraduate level subjects like engineering, technology, science, architecture, everything. GATE is possible. Means GATE is applicable, but we need to consider only about engineering. So. Can you? Is there anybody highly interested in higher studies in this meet, or are you interested in any job after BTech? Anybody is there? You can turn on your mic and say how many of you are interested here. Anybody? It's okay for me. Can anyone say?
Interested, Chechi.
Okay, okay. So you guys are interested. You are from third year, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then have you appeared for GATE exam this year, 2025 February?
No.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Actually, the GATE exam is applicable from third year onwards. If you are studying in BTech third year, you are eligible to write the exam. Third year, fourth year, and coming years, you can write the exam. And the only thing is, if you pass the GATE, the validity of that GATE score will be for 3 years. So for third years, I think you could write the exam but the exam is over and results have been published. Is there anybody wrote the exam in February? In this February 2025, anybody here has written the exam? I'm
You
not
have,
asking about.
no, they have written few students. They didn't get that.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. You haven't qualified. Okay, okay. So I also didn't qualify the exam because I was not prepared at all. I have means academics, very tough academics for MTech. So I was not prepared this year, but last year I cracked the exam, and I got about 41 point something marks, and I got Air India rank 3000 something. So it's our duty to study because if you're thinking this gate exam is so tough, I can say it's not tough. It's our effort to crack that. Many YouTube videos, many sessions are there in the internet to make us qualify the gate exam. So it's very easy. Okay, next year onwards, don't miss out that. Next year onwards, you should try that. If you are highly interested in higher studies, you can write the exam. And I will say, so why GATE? So this is the higher
Angel,
education institute.
Angel slide is not changing.
Okay, okay. Slide. It's not changing.
Yeah, it is there in first slide itself.
Okay, okay. Sorry, sir. I think it was changed. Okay. Now it's okay.
Yes,
Okay.
we gate is not there. Before list of IIT is visible now.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is
now it
visible.
is okay. Fine. Now it is okay.
Okay. So why GATE? It's here I have mentioned higher education institutes here. So this is the tier level of higher education institute. Sir, is your college is a self-financing college or any government type college? I don't know exactly.
Guys, please respond. It's a self-financing college. Angel.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, it's
So
a single owner, individual. One person is a chairman.
okay, okay, okay. So it's a self-financing college and it comes under the tier 5 of higher education institutes. So you are studying, and I was also studying in tier 5 self-financing college. So why GATE? Why you are appearing for GATE? The only reason why we are applying for GATE and why we are qualifying for GATE is for the admission for IIT and NIT. So IIT means Indian Institute of Technology, NIT means National Institute of Technology. So now I am studying in National Institute of Technology because my marks was not enough to get my get any admission in IITs. So if you are interested for MTech program in IIT means in higher level institutes, the GATE qualification is needed for the admission. GATE qualification means not that much marks they are asking. Only 20. I think for biomedical only 24 marks is needed for the qualification process. Only 24 marks needed, and rather than the admission to top institutes, another thing is the recruitment by PSU. So what is meant by PSU is it's a public sector undertaking. So if you are interested for public sector jobs, that means government jobs. If you are for government jobs, we know many exams are there to crack the public sector jobs. So from GATE means if you are qualified in GATE for public sector undertaking jobs, it's a add-on to you. So if you are a GATE qualifier in your resume or in your LinkedIn profile, if you are a GATE qualifier, then PSUs will be directly taking you for the interviews. So that is the another advantage for from this GATE exam, GATE qualification. Then and the government engineering colleges will comes under the tier 4 only. So tier 1 is IIT and tier 2 is NIT. So these are the list of IITs present in our India, in our country. So the first position is to IIT Kharagpur, then IIT Bombay. These all are the high level IITs. So when you look on to the GATE website, you can see 2025 GATE is conducted by IIT Roorkee. 2024 GATE was conducted by IIT Delhi. So these top 10 IITs will be conducting the GATE exams yearly, means annually. And these are the advantages of cracking GATE exam. And one more thing, today we are looking for a placement for placements this year, because I am studying in the first semester. So in this National Institute of Technology, they are not only concentrating on studies, they are concentrating on internships, practical sessions and all. So today I'm sharing my experience. I have contacted one company. It was Jaguar. You boys have been familiar with that, Jaguar. So Jaguar is a good company. It is having much more means applications and embedded hardware, embedded software, like that. Many sections are there in Jaguar, and I contacted Jaguar. But immediately I was asking them, can you take some students from our college? I am the placement representative of my college. So can you take some colleagues, my friends, for internship in your company? And I am studying in NIT, and they suddenly they told, we only take students from IIT. Okay, we only take students from Indian Institute of Technology. So they don't want students from NIT, Government Engineering College, or self-financing college. Any other colleges they don't want, because they know from IIT best students will be there than NIT and government engineering colleges. IIT students are more powerful and more brilliant. So that they told me, no, we are not offering any opportunities for NIT students. Or NIT is good only, but they are not at all providing opportunities for NIT also. I think Yuvraj sir have studied in IIT only. Is it, sir?
No, VIT.
Ah, VIT, okay, Vellore Institute of Technology. Yes, yes, okay. So, so that's the situation we are facing, even though I am studying in NIT. And so these are the advantages of cracking the GATE exam. So I already told higher education opportunities and opportunities for research also. If you are taking government sectors like DRDO, then Bharat Electronics, then ISRO. So these are the research institutes, government research institutes in our country. So many are there. I only listed about three or four. So in these companies or in these research institutes, they will be selecting you directly if you are qualified in GATE. Okay. Then public sector undertakings and direct interview call. Interview call means, I think third year students, I don't know whether they will be preparing their resume for a job. For fourth year students, it will be familiar to you. If you are preparing your resume, highlight if you are qualified in GATE. Highlight, I am a 2025 qualifier, GATE qualifier. They will the companies will directly call you for the interview. Most of the companies will be taking test, aptitude test will be there, technical test will be there, everything will be there to move on to interview session. But if you are a qualifier, GATE qualifier, they know this student is that much brilliant, and they will directly call you for the interview. That is the benefit of GATE exam. Rather than studying for MTech or higher studies, the direct interview call is the best thing. I like, means I have mentioned my GATE qualification in my resume, and the companies are calling me under the means based on the GATE qualification only. Then scholarships and fellowships are there. If you are GATE qualified, you can get, if you are studying MTech, you will get 12,400 per month for your studies. Okay, for 2 years you will get 12,400. I think more than 2 years will get you will get, and I am getting 12,400 per month. And if you are past your BTech, if you are passing, you will remember. It means you will be facing financial crisis, because up to our completion of graduation, completion of degree, your family will be supporting you. So after that, financial stability is very important for us. and I worked for 2 years now. I already mentioned I worked for 2 years. So for that 2 years, it was very means the golden time of my life because I was earning money. It was a good salary. I was earning money, and in means what I had a leisure life. Okay, then I joined for NIT, and now I am facing the financial crisis. Even though I am getting 12,400 for my studies, I am means facing the financial crisis. So if you just think, if you are studying and you are getting 12,400 per month for only for your studies, it is okay now. So scholarships and fellowships are there for you. Then next we will move on to the question paper pattern. So I already told the gate, if you are qualifying gate, the validity of the gate marks will be for 3 years. And I already covered. So next is the question paper pattern. So totally 65 multiple choice or numerical answer type questions will be there. So from general aptitude, 15 marks, engineering mathematics, 15 marks, and the core subject, 70 marks. So only 65 questions and 100 marks. This from this general aptitude. If you are good in aptitude means not that much high level aptitude. If you are familiar with distance, speed, and time, then if you are familiar with the clock, calendar type aptitude questions, and these all are every year the questions will be pattern will be same for general aptitude. Not the questions will be same. I can say based on the profit loss. These all things you have already studied. So just refresh the aptitude and attend the aptitude question. You will get full of 15 marks. So I already told it, the qualifying mark is 24 and general aptitude is there for 15 mark. So I can assure you, out of 15, if you study properly or if you go through the topics properly, you can get 13 maximum, minimum 13 out of 15. So out of 24, 13 marks is already there. Then it is the engineering mathematics. The one thing I have to say, if you are applying for gate, appearing for gate, if you are not sure about your answer, don't mark that. Okay, some students will be marking all the answers. If they are not aware of that also, they will be marking all the answers. That is not good in gate because negative marking is there. So if you are thorough with your answer, you can do, if you are thorough. And for 1 mark, negative marking is 0.33. That means 1 by 3 negative marking is there for 1 mark question, and 2 by 3 is there for 2 mark question. So if you are thorough with the answer, mark the answer. So from the general aptitude itself, 15 marks is there. So rather than the aptitude, only 9 marks is there to means necessary to have. So from engineering mathematics, I don't know, some of you will be good in maths, some of you will be good in core subjects. So if you are good in maths, not that much high level questions, but linear algebra, complex means the Fourier transform, these all are the subjects. You can download the syllabus from the net. I means social media means not social media. If you you will get the syllabus, means or yearly the syllabus will be changing. 2025 syllabus you can download from the net. And and the questions will be carrying 1 or 2 marks. And common questions will be there. If you go through the YouTube, if you go through the YouTube and search for common biomedical students for gate exam, means questions for gate exam, you can get some common questions. So from that also you can get the sure question from sure question for the exam. And I already told 1 by 3 mark for the wrong answers. And uh, if you are not good in engineering mathematics or engineering means aptitude questions, you can get 70. 70 marks are there enough to crack from core subjects. Core subjects means it's directly from your biomedical syllabus. Means 4 year you are studying what is ECG, EEG. Not about what is ECG. Means just an application level of ECG, EEG, then biomaterials, then signal processing. These all are the main areas how the questions will be coming. So 70 marks are there to score from core subjects. So, and the marking scheme is 1 by 3 marks for wrong answers. And the question paper pattern will be a some number of MCQ will be there. Few MCQs will be there, MSQs will be there, and NAT. MCQ means one option will be correct. MSQ means more than one options will be correct. NAT means numerical answer type questions, and you will be given a problem. If you are given a problem, for example, it's a voltage divider. So voltage supply voltage will be there, two resistance value. So from that voltage divider, what is the output voltage? So only one numerical answer will be there. So you have to write the correct numerical answer. So there are no option for NAT numerical answer type questions. There is no option. So for MCQ only negative marking is there. For MSQ and NAT you can do your own. If you are not thorough also, MSQs you can attend. MCQ only if you are not thorough you don't mark. If you are thorough only, you should mark the answer. For MSQs and NAT, no negative marking is there. And this is the GATE 2026 exam overview. And I already told top 10 institutes will be the conducting body of GATE. And here 2026 IIT Guwahati is the conducting body. And the registration, I think it will start from August 2025. And the exam will be most probably in the month of February 2026. Every year they are conducting the exam in February only. And uh, and one more thing I want to say, I already mentioned about PSU, public sector undertaking. And if you are interested in public sector undertakings, you need to score above 70 marks. If you are just qualifying, if you are getting only 24 or 25, I don't know, we can't predict what is the cutoff mark. This year it was 25, and last year it was 29. Like that cutoff marks will be there. So if you are qualifying, you can appear for ME, MTech, PhD programs. But for PSU, public sector undertaking jobs, you need to score above 70. Okay. Then application mode will be completely online. It's a computer-based test, and 3 hours will be there. That means 180 minutes, 65 questions total, and number of papers. Okay. Coming to the paper, you are a biomedical student, but you can appear for the other subject also, because first paper is obviously biomedical paper, and second paper we can choose. I think two options are there for biomedical students. If you are interested in higher studies related to biotechnology option is there, and instrumentation, biomedical instrumentation option is also there. So if you are interested to do means write second paper exam, you can write. And related to the payment, for boys it's 1,800 rupees for writing the exam, and for girls it's 900. And if you are an SC/ST like that OBC student, then again concession is there in fees. So for girls it's 900. Till now it's 900, and for boys it's 1,800. And if you are appearing for two papers, it will be into two. That much amount you should pay. And the score validity will be for 3 years. And these all things I prepared for you. And if you have any kind of doubts, you can ask. Um, okay I have covered, I think almost I have then one more thing, anybody here are interested for higher studies abroad? Anybody here? Abroad studies, anybody here are interested? You can say it's okay.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
What's your name?
Ma'am, I am Balasubramanian from third year biomedical engineering. I have interest to study abroad.
Wait. Who is talking? Balasubramanian. Okay.
And
So Okay, can you turn on your video? It is okay. Okay. So you are interested for higher studies in abroad. Okay, in
Yes,
which
ma'am.
country? In which country you are looking for?
Ma'am, I like to do in German.
Germany. Okay, okay. Turn off your mic. Don't turn off your video. Okay. Okay. So I was also a student was who was like looking for abroad studies. I already told you that sir, when I was in the fourth year, I am looking for higher studies. But one thing is, before 2 3 years, the trend was okay. The trend was good in abroad. But now, if you are highly interested, I will always prefer abroad studies only. It's a very comfort living there compared to India. It's a very good opportunities there. But the thing is, in Germany, I was looking for medical systems engineering, and the students who have passed out with me have joined the course there in Germany in different universities. They are now also doing part-time jobs. Okay, they are not getting enough job opportunities there. So 2 3 years before, the trend was okay, enough job opportunities were there in Germany, not in Germany, in UK, Ireland, everywhere enough opportunities were there. But now students are not getting enough jobs. I can say Yurat sir, our Rinda, Noel, then Albin, Anjali, Alex, these all students are there in Germany, but they are not getting enough, means they are not getting jobs in the domain. In the biomedical domain, they are not getting jobs. So, if you are ready to means if you have luck you will get. I don't know how the abroad studies will be in the coming years, because all are doing part-time jobs to means complete their loans, study loans, everything. So if you are going abroad, that much preparation you should have. You should be ready to do any kind of job, any kind of part-time jobs, until you get a job in your domain. And India is a developing country only. So I was in the era of abroad studies. My main aim was to post some photos. I want to means get a good job and go visit some places like that. My thought was that after I passing out, means after I pass BTech. But now my thinking is all means entirely different, because India is a developing country. Many opportunities are there in India in biomedical domain, electron. First of all, you should think you are a biomedical student and you are an electronic student also. If you are applying for a job or if you are applying for a higher studies, your core subject is electronics. So you are able to do any kind of electronic job or software job. One of the advantage of the biomedical engineering I felt is I I worked in electronics domain, and now I am studying in embedded software. And I studied my BTech in biomedical. You can turn off your mic, mic, mic. Okay. So I passed in I passed my BTech in biomedical. Then I worked for electronics. Now I am doing embedded software. So uh, for biomedical students, biomedical is okay. Then electronics is okay. Software is okay. Many companies are there in India, especially in Bangalore, Karnataka, Hyderabad, Pune. Many companies are there. Means MNC companies are there to give us opportunities. They are hiring freshers. I think many MNCs are hiring freshers for their internship. Sir, is the fourth year students are having internship, right?
Yeah, we are having
In our
internships.
Okay, okay, okay. If you
Uh,
are getting good internships in MNC companies or startups also, it's okay. If you are interested in higher abroad, you should think thoroughly, because it's our future. It's We are playing with our future and our family. So financial crisis may happen if you are going abroad without any plan, without any proper plan. If you are going, financial crisis may occur, because we are not a teens. We are not a teens anymore. We are means our families means what. I don't know how to say
Expect,
after depending on
expecting,
us. Family will
expecting.
be depending on us. Yes, after my BTech, I was earning, and that time it was okay, but now it's not okay. The situation is not okay. If you are interested, my suggestion is try to go for higher studies just after BTech. Don't go for job is okay, job is okay in any age, job is okay. If you are interested, you go just after the BTech. Because the problem is that corporate life is entirely different. Corporate life we are facing now in India, corporate life is entirely different. And if we are coming, if I was doing a job and just after coming from the job, it was a bad situation for me. Now I am okay. And for studying also, our area of interest is different, will be different after doing a job. Our area of interest is different. How we handle the situation, how we are um, means what entire life we are planning. Our parents will not be there. In all situations, parents will not be there. So just after BTech, you try for MTech if you are interested. And if you are going for a job, be well uh, good in technical skills. Because Agape was very good for me. I worked in Agape Diagnostics. It was very good for me. But my colleagues worked in some other companies, some other industries, but the job was not okay. It's a common thing I saw as just after the biomedical engineering, people used to join in sales and marketing, application level engineering, then R&D, everything they are joining. Sales and market, if you are joining, if you are BTech graduate or you are currently doing BTech, you will be thinking of, I will do any job. I am ready to relocate anywhere. I am ready to do any job. But
Jasmine is having net problem, I think. Jasmine, your net is unstable. No problem, we are waiting.
sir, I think I lost my
Yeah. Okay, no
network.
problem, no problem. We are waiting.
Now, so if you are interested, try to study from now onwards. 2026 February, enough time is there. So per week also, if you are spending half an hour, it's okay. It's okay to qualify GATE. And if you are not aware about GATE, it's a national level exam. Wherever you go, if you tell you are a GATE qualifier, the value is different. And BTech is, everybody here in India is having some degree like BTech, BCom, everything. So BTech is not enough for us to have a job. It's okay to have a job, but if you are joining with BTech, some extent you can go. But if you are means if you are getting high, and in if you means suppose you attain a specific position, manager level position, the qualification required will be MTech, or qualification required will be PG. Then that time we couldn't, we means we can't do any PG program. So if you are at least postgraduate, you can develop your future on your own. Okay, that's why only I joined for MTech, because in Agape it was a safe zone for me. But after 3 years, this associate design engineer post will be design engineer. Engineer. But for design engineers, the qualification they are asking is MTech. Okay. For any company, the situation is like that. So if you are interested, try to prepare now onwards. Spend half an hour per week only. I am suggesting that for biomedical students, for us, it's very easy to crack because no more competition is there in India. Only a few colleges are there with biomedical course, and we are getting much means much opportunities also. So try to, and syllabus, I think it's not very tough syllabus. For you people it's very easy, because for me I am out of biomedical, and I scored 24 without preparing, because aptitude test was very easy. 15 marks I scored. Then a core subject it was I scored only 24. 25 mark was the passing mark. But last year I prepared well. I prepared well with my means during my job I prepared well. That's why I got the means NIT, and try to get admission in NIT or IIT
When they have introduced biomedical,
or any
in which year they have introduced biomedical?
NIT.
No, no, the gate biomedical.
Gate biomedical, I think more than I think
3 4 years
many
before.
years. When we were third year, I
Right, it
think
was done.
5 to 6 years before
Okay.
they have.
Yes,
Okay.
when you are studying that time, it was introduced, I think.
Yes, yes, yes. It was introduced for biomedical, and try to write from third year also. And if you have any kind of doubts or any kind, if you want to ask any questions, you can freely ask.
Please be interactive. Angel, these 16 members are GEM, and we have a separate group for GATE exam leaders preparation, leaders for GATE exam preparation. Okay, so
Okay.
they are very much interested students, and by nature, our state people are having hesitation to speak in public. Okay, so that is the reason. But
Oh, okay, okay.
they will speak, and sometimes they may have hesitation. But now I request all to speak. You know Tamil? Do you know Tamil, Angel?
No, sir, I am not
We'll
okay.
we'll try. Okay,
Okay, many Tamil students are there in my class. South in, means Tamil Telugu students are there. Malayalis are not there.
guys, please ask something, interact something.
If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask.
Angel,
I am
I
also a
heard
student.
about scholarship. If it is funded project, maybe more than 25,000. Funded
Ah,
projects, grant project grant given to the universities like national interest. We can get 25 to 40,000 rupees per month.
sir, more than I means above 40 we will get if you
For
are
funded
for the
project
funded.
like
Yes, yes. In
ICMR.
NIT it's okay. I don't know for the other colleges. We are getting more than I think 60,000. The students are getting for
For
funded
funded
project.
projects.
Yes, yes, funded
Okay.
projects.
For depends on the research and depends on the fund they will be giving.
We are doing projects really means means collaborating with DRDO, ISRO like that. Uh, Government institutes we are doing projects, so they are funding enough money. I think above 60,000 we are getting
Hmm.
for a project.
Bhavya raised your hand.
Chechi, what are the ways you used to study for GATE exam? But Sir
Oh,
told that you have used Chat GPT. So how you used it?
actually, Chat GPT means it's okay to use Chat GPT. Uh, you guys are using Chat GPT nowadays, right?
Yes.
Then what is the response of the faculties if you are using ChatGPT for everything?
Don't use Chat GPT.
Okay, okay. I can say it's okay to use ChatGPT, but uh, all time ChatGPT won't be correct. That also you need to know. Uh, I used YouTube, mainly YouTube, and I note down different topic. Means I take one topic. If it is a biomaterial, I will search for the gate questions from biomaterials. Gate questions, gate topics from biomedicals. I will chat GPT. Okay. So likewise, I've studied. YouTube is enough. I think YouTube is enough. If I have the syllabus, I think.
Syllabus is available in it.
Syllabus. Yes, yes. Is it let's wait. Okay. Is it okay? So here, so main subjects coming is biomaterials. This was my favorite topic. Biomaterials, then biomechanics. Everything in this topic is related to your syllabus only. First of all, you need to understand that whatever you are studying, that only come in gate exam. But after fourth year, I am preferring you to write the exam in your third year or fourth year itself, because after completing the degree, it's very hard. It means it's very difficult to again study the syllabus and topics. So if you are these you can see the biomaterials, biomechanics, medical imaging system, anatomy, physiology, then ECG, EEG, EMG, everything you are studying now, right? So the topics are always familiar, and I will suggest YouTube is okay. YouTube, many videos are there. For biomedical itself, there are many videos. Then for aptitude, many videos are there, and ChatGPT is also okay. So if you are having the syllabus and just ChatGPT give some gate questions, or provide 100 gate questions based on this topic, so they will provide 100 questions. So in from that 100 questions only the question will come for gate. Maybe one or two will come. So if you prepare more on this topic, you can crack, not cracking, you can get air India rank goals, all India rank also. Means air you can get. Okay, so all India rank for me was 3,165, like that. I was not prepared that much, but if you are preparing sufficiently, you will get all India rank also, rather than qualifying. Okay. Anything else?
Any other questions? Guys, please ask. Be frank. Communication is not a problem.
Communication is not at all a problem.
உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுங்க.
Ma'am,
Ah,
good afternoon, ma'am.
okay.
Apart from the academics, what should we learn for our future according to you?
Is it
Apart from
Tarani there?
academics.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Introduce yourself and ask question. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Taranidhar is he's a Taranidhar studying in second year biomedical.
Okay, okay. Second year biomedical.
Okay, dear.
Apart
You.
from academics, academics is the main thing, but with academics we can't gain anything. So if you're having a, I'm saying one situation. 1 minute. And suppose you are having a back paper, so you are not good in academics, but you will get a job. How? It's your attitude and behavior. So how you can crack, means how you can do a job. Interviewers, if you are sitting in for an interview, they won't be looking for any skills, and technical skill is okay, technical skill is necessary, but you should have a good attitude and a good behavior. So if you are asking a question, so what is a PWM, or a what what all courses you are studying, and you are saying I am studying this much courses, like that attitude if you are having, they won't take. If you are having a good attitude and good behavior towards people, it will be an add-on for you, rather than the skills. And if you are not good in academics, in my class some students were there, Yuvraj sir, no, Amarnath, Srirak, everybody, means I'm just saying the names. They had back papers. They had, I think 10 back papers, up to 10 to 16 back papers they had, but they got a job in a good company. Now they are gaining, I think 65, means 50 above salary they are getting. And rather than academics, you should have a good attitude and a good behavior.
They were
So
cool guys. They,
yes,
they
yes,
were cool guys. The way
yes,
of
they were very cool.
handling
Uh,
people, they were excellent at handling people.
yes, yes, handling people, how they handle people, they have good humor sense, everything they have. Sir, 1 minute.
Guys, please ask questions. ஏதாவது கேளுங்க. ஓகேவா?
Okay, sir. So they were good in handling people, and the attitude, behavior, everything was good, but academics was not good. They had more back papers. They were not good in academics, but they got a good job. So academics itself is not okay. You should have a social mind. Everything you should have. I don't. If you are a fourth year student, it's a good to develop your moral skills or ethical skills, then attitude, behavior, everything you should develop.
Actually, my students are disciplined and behavior wise extremely good.
Yes, yes.
Okay, they are. I can give 100% mark for behavior and discipline, the way of asking and respecting people, all those things.
Oh,
Only
okay, okay.
and only the problem is they are having lot of hesitation, that getting panic to approach people, hesitation to approach, even sending mail or communicating. They are having hesitation.
Okay, okay.
That is, even though they are having technical knowledge, they cannot able to, they don't have confidence enough to convey. That is only the problem. And otherwise
Okay,
they are extremely very good children.
okay, okay. Actually, I got. I already told I was working in Agape, and in four, I think three to four interviews were there for Agape, service interviews, sales, everything was there. But for the last interview, the interviewer asked, my HOD asked me, what is a medical device? Means ISO 13485. You won't be knowing ISO 13485. And I was thinking, what is ISO? I don't know, sir. And he stopped there itself. And he was asking me, are you ready to do the job in R&D? Then I was saying, yes, I am ready. I can do everything. Like that confidence I had. I didn't answer even one question from him, but I got the job. It purely I can't say it's purely depend on the attitude and behavior. Academic should be there, technical skills also there, and you should try your level best in all aspects. You should try your
Varghese
level
sir,
best.
Varghese sir only asked, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Any other questions from the audience? This is actually, Bala, you can ask.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I'm Balasubram from third year biomedical engineering.
yes,
I
yes.
have a doubt about you said NIT is a tier 2 institution and IIT is a tier 1 institution. What are the difference and what are the different kind of exposure I get from NIT and IIT?
Okay, okay. Uh, I- Actually, IIT means Indian Institute of Technology and NIT is National Institute of Technology. So, if you are doing projects or if you are do study means, I can say the government institutes, that means DRDO, ISRO, Bharat Electronics. These all institutes will be taking students from IIT only.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah, if they are considering for placements, they will be taking students from IIT only. Or second is NIT. They won't be considering any self-financing colleges or government engineering colleges. So I have not means I have given my BTech degree institution as APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University in my LinkedIn, but I studied in a self-financing college. I given KTU as my means Abdul Kalam Technological University as my college in LinkedIn only because the companies will be preferring more IIT students and NIT students. If they are seeing this is from self-financing college or some other colleges, they won't be interested in because they know this students are studying in management level. They are not having enough knowledge. Maybe you will be having. Maybe you will be having the ability to means you will be okay to do the job and all, but they won't be considering you. They will be interested in taking students from IITs and NITs.
It became our culture.
It became our culture in India. It's a culture only. The companies are taking students from IITs and NITs only.
But this will change. This will change after effectively implementing National Education Policy 2020.
Yes, yes. Yes, that policy should be
Implemented effectively.
implemented effectively, because now it's a trend is for IIT and NIT only. Because I am also facing, since I am studying in NIT
It's
also.
illusion, Maya.
When I am since I am studying in NIT also, when I am 1 minute, sir.
Boys, Bhavya, எதா கேட்க மாட்டியா? தரணிதர்
Okay, so the people are interested to take students from IITs only. So today, I already told Jaguar company is interested to take students from IITs only. So that's the situation in India. So it's the sir already told the changes should be implemented effectively, but now the situation is over. So getting admission in a good college is always okay. It's you and your future at last. Okay,
Thank you.
okay.
Bala, any other question? Roshini?
Hi, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm Gayatri
Fine.
from third year biomedical engineering, ma'am.
Okay.
Madam,
How did you schedule your time for each day, ma'am?
How did you schedule? Actually, I don't have any schedule in my life. I will means 1 minute.
அந்த லாஸ்ட் அதெல்லாம் அன்னைக்கு ரெடி பண்ணதா? அது பிரின்சிபல்ட்ட மட்டும் சைன் வாங்கினாங்களா? ரெடியா இருந்தது வாங்கிடுறேன் மேடம். லெபரட்டரி ஃபைல் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி செமஸ்டர்ல பண்ணது. அது பண்ணல மேடம். அது நாளைக்கு பார்த்து பண்ணிடுறேன். லேப் பண்ண ஃபைல் இருக்கு, கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணலாம்.
Actually, my roommate came. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I scheduled my life means I cracked the GATE exam when I was doing job. So it was not difficult for me to get the time for studies, because after job I was free. But for you, I can say
நீங்க
if you are good in academics, in your academics, so if you are highly means studying, it's not a tough job to crack, because for GATE you don't want to you don't need to have a separate time for GATE preparation. Take a subject, means if you are studying a signal processing, be thorough with signal processing. Or if you're studying biomaterials, be thorough with that. And for GATE exam, before 3 months or 4 months, you just start with each topic. So for EEG, whatever questions come, that way you should means schedule. For in my life, means I don't have any such a schedule, but I keep 2 to 3 hours for my studies. I am very I am very tensed about my future. Actually, I was the earning person in my life. That means in my home, I was the earning person 2 years before, but now I am in a financial crisis. I am facing some issues. So scheduling, time scheduling is not there in my life. I just going with the flow. That's all. I don't think some faculties ask me what are the time scheduling you are doing for your placement activities, everything. I can't do. I don't know. Time scheduling is not there. Sorry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Any other questions?
Akshaya.
Bhavya, where are you, Bhavya?
I'm here, sir.
You are the moderator of this session, but I am doing your duty.
Sorry, sir. Any other question, guys? Chechi, shall we get your contact if we
Yes. Yes.
have any doubt?
Yes. You read, sir, or I will give you my contact. If you have any doubt or if you have any questions, you can contact me. I will be there for you. You read, sir, students. I will be there.
My proud student.
I did many projects under Yuvraj sir, and I feel so comfortable with him than any other faculty. I can proudly say I will always talk with my family. Yuvraj sir was my best, means project guide. As a project guide, he was very good. And now I am facing some issues with my project guide. Then sometime I remember. I means I used to remember how I do my project in my BTech and how I am doing now. All faculties will not be
Our
same. Like
our project review will be there in hut. We'll be having chaya, snacks, and we'll discuss about
Chaya,
project.
snacks, everything.
Right?
Yes, yes. I miss those days.
Okay.
Okay, then anything to ask? Okay, right.
Any other questions? Bhavya, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Bhavya is very active students like Rose in this college,
Okay.
and other Bhavya's friend. Some students are there, Varshini and all, Durga and all. They are very active. Thank only the here actually Rose, our place middle of Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Okay, so our students are coming from Tamil Nadu is economically, geographically completely different between Kerala, right? And
Okay.
economically up and downs will be there. And geographically also dry, rural, and river belt. All those things, all kind of things are mixed. Okay, so let me switch off the screen record. I'll come.
Okay.